Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Google Play points. This is just a quick guide. So head into your phone and then let's do this. First, head into your Google Play Store app. After opening the Google Play Store app, click the profile icon that can be found in the top right corner of the screen. And then after clicking this, as you can see here, just simply select the play points below the Play Pass. After clicking the play points, click the join for free button that is colored in green tone. After clicking it, just set up a payment method. For example, you want to use credit or debit card for this payment, a PaySafe card, or a PayPal. Then, after deciding it, you can now press the continue button and just wait for the loading screen, and that's it. You are now eligible or you have enabled playing and using Google Play points. So start earning and enjoy it. And that is how to enable or activate Google Play points. Thank you for listening.